Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mercedes and this is the Frugal Life with Mercedes. Today I have a Dollar General all digital coupon haul. This is also a part of the Dollar General clearance event that is going on this weekend. So I got 16 items. I paid $11.50 and that includes tax, and I saved $14. And I got some things that have been on my list to get, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, so these car fresheners are usually $5. They were on clearance for $4.50 and then half of that. And then also I had a $1 digital coupon. This dial is usually $1.50 and I had a $1 coupon that was glitching with the travel size, making it 50 cents. The plug is usually $3.25. I had a $3 coupon and it's on sale for $3, making it free. You just pay for tax. Then these Minecraft napkins, I had my sister and my brother with me, and my sister asked for those, and those ended up being 87 cents. Then the laundry detergent, I don't know how much it is usually, but it was on clearance for the $4.50, so it was $2.25 for this big thing. Then the shaving cream. I have a really hard time finding shaving cream with coupons and sales and all that. So these were $1, and then so they ended up being 50 cents a piece. And that's even cheaper than the Dollar Tree, obviously. And then my mom said that she wanted me to keep an eye out for some trash bags. These were half of that, and there's 20 in there, so that's a pretty good deal. Then this Tresemme travel hairspray is usually $1.95, and I had a $2 coupon that was glitching, so I made 5 cents on that. Then these little Pantenes are usually $1.50 each. I had a coupon that was glitching with these three, making them 50 cents for all three. And then last but not least, these razors are $3.30, and I had a $3 coupon making them 30 cents. So this is what we got, some pretty good deals. And tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm hoping to go to the Dollar General one more time and see what else I can get. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you did not know, I have an Instagram, The Frugal Life with Mercedes. And until next time, guys, bye.